Hi, I'm Michael Grabs, and this is Productivity Unleashed. Logistics is a performance business. The successful management of goods in transit can be benchmarked with clear targets such as speed, cost, and accuracy. However, as global supply chains become more complex and the pressure of changing demands increase, consistently delivering on these metrics has become much more complicated, especially for logistics providers still relying on manual processes and data entry. So when it comes to using workflows to increase productivity, you're saving more than just a few minutes a day. By eliminating error-prone manual tasks, workflows help extract greater value from you and your team. They improve operational yield and provide a higher quality of service to customers. So here are some components of workflows and their functionality, which can create visibility and reduce the time it takes to complete an overall shipment. Saving workflow templates for different shipment types based on modes, directions, or clients is an easy way to increase the speed of data entry across your operations. These templates are highly configurable, allowing you to alter screen layouts and add custom fields to reflect the unique needs of each project. In fact, workflow templates are so configurable that they can be set up to record your SOPs, as well as when your client has specific requirements for moving their shipment. For example, if you're looking to transport a cargo order by ocean freight, you could save a workflow template based on certain ports with milestones, tasks, and automatic triggers that would provide your customers and operations team with insight into the whole journey. Alternatively, you could use this template as a foundation to create a new template to easily customize the workflow based on specific customer requirements. Tasks are a handy way to keep track of who is doing what. You can set up your workflows to include every single step involved in your forwarding operations, with each task automatically assigned to the right person at the right time. And with real-time visibility of tasks as they move from step to step, it's easy for your team members to keep track of their own individual tasks and make sure that the whole team knows what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and who is responsible for completing upcoming items. And with containment barriers in place for quality control, you can make sure work has been done correctly before moving on to the next stage in the chain, helping to ensure there are no unexpected delays from missteps. CargoWise tracks many hundreds of events as your consignment moves across the supply chain. From the point of pickup on through to delivery, we provide data connectivity from multiple parties, including airlines, shipping lines, port systems, vessel AIS, as well as customs and transport, to provide the most complete picture of your cargo movement. This is all in addition to your internal events, such as document creation, invoice production, and more, allowing you to automatically share key visibility data points with any party involved along the supply chain while measuring your team's performance against internal timelines. After milestones and the tasks to achieve them are set up to match the procedures of your forwarding operation, CargoWise triggers can be used to further help automate your processes. Whether you need to alert different parties to tasks that are needed to complete a milestone, send documents to outside parties, or send automatic correspondence to different parties when tasks are completed, CargoWise triggers will automatically do this for you, which means you don't have to rely on inefficient and error-prone manual processes to communicate important milestone information to the relevant parties. Every business tries their best to ensure deadlines are met. But there are times when this just isn't possible. The exception dashboard allows you to minimize the impact of exceptions and delays with a full log of every current and historical exception, with configurable alerts to automatically notify you if something is missed or nearing its deadline. By tracking and analyzing current and historical overdue milestones, you and your team can better forecast timeline expectations and identify repeated operational mistakes that can be amended for future shipments. It's easy to make workflows in CargoWise work for you. With every task, milestone, or trigger fine-tuned and configured into a workflow process, you can build the routines that not only quickly and efficiently satisfy your customers' needs, but also define the quality of service they expect, increasing transparency, accountability, and productivity across your operations. If you're looking to streamline your processes with workflow templates, get in touch with a CargoWise service partner. As technology and logistic industry experts, they'll be able to assist you with improving your processes and implementing workflow functionality in CargoWise. Now that's it for this episode of Productivity Unleashed. I'm Michael Grabs. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next time.